In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to MYOB. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you seamlessly through the process, ensuring you can access your account with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like to use. Make sure it's up to date for the best security and user experience. Once your browser is open, head to the MYOB website. If you're unsure of the URL, simply type MYOB into your search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Click on the link, and you'll be directed to their home page. Now that you're on the MYOB website, look for the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, you need to input the email address and password associated with your MYOB account. Be sure to type carefully to avoid any errors that could prevent you from signing in. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so check your caps lock key if you encounter any issues. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, there's one more step you need to complete. This feature helps protect your account by requiring not only your password, but also a verification code. This code is sent to either your phone or your authenticator app. Retrieve the code from your preferred method. If you're using your phone, you'll receive a text message. If you're using an app like Google Authenticator, simply open the app to find your code. Once you have it, enter the code into the field provided on the MYOB site. And there you go. If you've followed these steps, you should now be successfully signed in to your MYOB account. If you encounter any issues during this process, make sure your internet connection is stable. You might also want to double-check your login credentials if you're experiencing repeated problems. For those of you who have forgotten your password, there's no need to worry. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Click on it and follow the prompts to reset your password. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to manage your MYOB account. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tutorials and have a great day with MYOB.